Hi. Are you ready for food? Are you ready for dinner?
There's a laugh, finally! Finally, we got a laugh.
Okay, you ready now?
You finally figured it out. Way to go, buddy. There's a... Mom's enjoying this just as much as he is.
I take you to work with me. You would make everyone's day so much better.
Cat's running away. Oh, buddy, that was great. I'm gonna give one more squeal like that for Graham because she's got to go do the chemo tomorrow.
I love you, Graham. We love you, Graham.
Aw.
Oh, thanks for the kisses, little man.
All right, wave bye.
Graham's that way. Bye, Graham.